Hi guys, I'm Shmee150, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Crazy Adventure. Today I present for us the hypercar Pontiac Grand Prix. Amazing this car. Look at this. Look at the design. Look at the shape of this car. I'm very excited for driving this car. Very, very exciting. Whoa! Very, very crazy. Amazing this car. Best car of the world. Oh. Like a old? Like a shit. Smell shit. Smell shit. No! Linguinha presa. Shmee, I'm kidding with you. I'm so your fan. I love you, Shmee. Bye. Subscribe here. Leave your like. Bye. Uau! Ó, agora chega de brincadeira. Vamos fazer a apresentação do vídeo aí.